Hey everyone, let's talk about something we don't always think about, our HVAC system. Just how our car needs regular tune-ups, so does your heating and cooling system. But how do you know when it's time for maintenance? We're gonna break down the top 5 signs that your HVAC system needs a little TLC. Number 1, weird noises. Is your HVAC system making loud banging or rattling noises? That's a big red flag. Your system should hum quietly in the background. Any unusual noises are a sign that something is off. Number 2, higher energy bills. Notice your energy bill creeping up for no reason? If your HVAC system is working harder than it should, it's using more energy, and that's going to show up on your bill. Regular maintenance can help it keep it running efficiently. Number 3, weak airflow. If the air coming from your vents feels weak, it's a sign that something's blocking the airflow. It could be a dirty filter, a clogged duct, or an issue with your fan. Either way, it's time for a checkup. Number 4, hot or cold spots. Is one room too hot while another is freezing? Your HVAC system should keep the temperature even throughout your home. If you're getting those uncomfortable temperature swings, your system might need some attention. Number 5, bad smells. If you're noticing a musty or burning smell coming from your vents, don't ignore it. This could mean mold in your ducts or a wiring issue. It's better to be safe and get it checked out. So why does this matter? Catching these signs early can save you from bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Regular maintenance keeps your HVAC system running smoothly and helps extend its life. How can you stay ahead of these problems? Join our White Glove Maintenance Club for just $250 a year. You'll protect all of your HVAC units and we'll take care of the maintenance for you. With our 17-point maintenance check, it's the easiest way to keep your system running smoothly and avoid those surprise repairs.